ROG Astral RTX 5090 BTF OC, the cable-free monster GPU that redefines gaming power and PC builds. Ever felt like your gear was holding you back instead of pushing you forward? Dead cables, messy builds, and lag spikes can make even the most passionate gamer feel stuck. Ever been there? Drop a comment if you've fought the cable monster too. This is where things get exciting, because the future of graphics cards is about to flip the script. Deadlines, frame drops, overheating rigs, stress piles up faster than your frame per second counter in an old GPU. Burnout doesn't just hit creators and gamers, it hits your system too. But imagine if there was a way to unleash pure 8K power while cleaning up your build? No chaos, no clutter, just raw performance wrapped in elegance. Sounds impossible? Stick with me. Meet the ROG Astral GeForce RTX 5090 BTF OC Edition, the ultimate graphics card that fuses extreme performance with revolutionary design. Powered by NVIDIA's Blackwell architecture and 32 GB of ultra-fast GDDR7 memory, it crushes 4K and even 8K gaming while laughing at heavy rendering workloads. Its detachable GC-HPWR adapter withstands up to 1,000 watts, meaning transient spikes are handled without breaking a sweat. Imagine pulling off a 12-hour render marathon with fans barely whispering in the background. That's the magic of its quad-fan Astral cooling system, vapor chamber, and phase change thermal pads. And here's the kicker. The BTF design hides messy cables, leaving you with a spotless build that looks like a futuristic showroom piece. One gamer said installing it was a revelation. No more wrestling stiff power cables. Here's a pro tip. Pair it with a BTF motherboard and watch your rig transform from powerful to jaw-dropping. Keep reading, because there's a bonus trick at the end you don't want to miss. So what's in it for you besides insane numbers on a spec sheet? Efficiency, focus, and flawless performance. Imagine gaming in 4K at ultra settings while your fans stay cool and quiet. Picture working on massive 3D scenes without running into memory errors. The 32 GB of GDDR7 makes that a reality. Reviewers are raving. One expert called it a statement on the future of PC building. A modding influencer praised it as the holy grail for showcase builds, thanks to the hidden cable design. Industry analysts point out that the Astral isn't just about raw power, it's a forward leap in design thinking. Everyday users echo the hype. No more awkward power cables, just pure performance. Another professional said, it's not just a gaming beast, it's a workstation upgrade. And here's the curiosity kicker. With its detachable high-power adapter, it's both next-gen and backward compatible. That means you don't need to rebuild your entire setup to enjoy tomorrow's GPU today. See why thousands can't stop talking about this. Which feature would save your day? Clean builds, silent cooling, or memory muscle? Comment below and let's find out. Here's the deal. Limited stock means only the fastest adopters get to flex this cable-free powerhouse. Join thousands who've already unlocked cleaner builds, smoother workflows, and jaw-dropping graphics. Don't wait. Secure your Astral 5090 BTF today and see the difference for yourself. Bonus? Click now and unlock a secret GPU tweak that makes everything feel faster, smoother, and even more effortless. Don't just watch, level up. The future of gaming rigs is waiting for you, and it starts here.